Hi, my name is Sarina Stone, and I'm a Taoist Medical QiGong educator. People ask me all the time how they can get these lessons or attend a course with me, and I always say the same thing, which is I've got lots of material online, lots of lessons, video, audio, even books online. And a few times a year, probably not more than 2 or 3 times, I teach live. I teach in workshop and retreat formats. The #1 request I get is for the Chi Nei Tsang abdominal massage course. That's a detoxifying and energizing abdominal massage. That could be anywhere from 2 to 10 days. The second request I get is for the Taoist Sexual Energy practices, or we say healing love. Now that one, sometimes I teach alone, but sometimes I teach with someone else. It's an amazing class that will teach you how to use your reproductive energy to extend longevity and improve your health. And it's a lot of fun. The third class that I teach is a Medical QiGong class. This is the art of using your mind to go inside the body for focus on health, longevity, mental health, emotional health, all are reflected by the physical body. So in that course, we learn how to attain balance for greater health and greater success in all areas.